Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Conda is actually available to the terminal. You run Conda version to confirm. If it prints a number, you're set. Once done, run Conda init bash or zsh/fish/PowerShell so the shell loads Conda commands automatically. You do this now because without shell initialization, you'll need manual activation each session. After init, close and reopen the terminal to apply changes and proceed to activate environments. You now create or enter the environment you'll run things in. For example, conda create env python equals 3, 10 installs a clean interpreter, then conda activate myenv switches your session to that environment. Once active, install packages with conda install numpypandas or conda install cconda forge package. Make sure to use conda list to verify installs and conda env list to see available environments. If you need exact versions, specify them during create or install to avoid conflicts. You finish by running commands inside the activated environment, Python script, py, Jupyter Lab, or any CLI tool installed there. When done, use conda deactivate to return to the base shell and remove unused environments with conda env remove nname. If something breaks, first ensure you reopen the terminal after conda init and that which conda shows a valid path. Run conda info to inspect configuration and channels. If activation fails, rerun conda init for your shell and restart the terminal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.